Hello, my people. Happy New Year to all Nigerians and welcome to Mr. Tom's podcast. Okay, my people, make I break it down for you. Just a few hours ago, the president of Venezuela was captured and moved to America for his trial. And to explain things better for us, make we understand as we in this street, I give you the greatest president in the world, Mr. Donald J. Trump. I'm gonna make a new life on now. You go to best with this man. You go to best with this man. Oh, thank you, Mr. Tom. Thank you for having me here. Mr. Trump, tell us, how do you feel after capturing Nicolas Maduro and moving him down to America to his trial? Oh, it's a beautiful feeling. It's a beautiful day in America. It's a beautiful day for the world. And to all those dictators out there, the terrorists, the drug peddlers, I just want to let them know that days are numbered. Our tomahawks are on their way. And very soon, everybody will be receiving their New Year present. Oga Trump, I hope I am not on the list too. You know me, I'm your guy now. Oh, Mr. Tom, I'm sorry to say this, but you're on the list. You're a very naughty guy. You know, we've been watching you for some time now. And I'm sorry to say this, but we have to take all of you out.
I could have killed him.
My God, this guy while like this. This guy while like on this one now.
This is when you will die.
Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.